we're getting ready to go outside and howl. And the reason why we're getting ready to go outside and howl is because in our town, Casper, Wyoming, a Facebook group was started to where everybody in Casper would go outside and howl at 8 o'clock.
Yeah, and it's awesome. They created this so that everyone can go outside and show their support for all the first responders and medical personnel that do such a great job through COVID-19. So it just gives the whole community a chance to go out and show all their support. And it's really awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, it's almost 8 o'clock. You ready to go outside?
Yep.
All right.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more great content that is ready to come. Peace out.